Officials say that 3 out of 5 home fire deaths result from fires in properties without working smoke alarms. To help reduce injuries and death for people living in North Charleston, the fire department has partnered with the American Red Cross of South Carolina and Fire Safe SC to conduct a smoke alarm blitz. This initiative will take place Saturday from 9 until 4. Officials will go door to door installing free smoke alarms in the Hawthorne City community. For people who don't live in that community, the agency has a smoke alarm program offered year-round. To request an appointment for the smoke alarm blitz, just visit fire.northcharleston.org.